The Intelligent Retail Labs DevOps organization is really responsible with empowering our developers with the tools and libraries that they need to be able to build and deploy their software as fast and efficiently as possible. The enterprise automation stack has given us the tools that we were already familiar with Chef Infra, to be able to build our systems and automate the configuration for cloud instances as well as our on-premise physical equipment. Early on in our project, before we really got a handle on Habitat, we had developers spending weeks to months of their time just rebuilding OpenCV over and over and trying to get it to work correctly. OpenCV is a magnificent piece of software, but it has dozens and dozens of tunables and options that can be turned on and off. Some of our developers want some of these options on, some of these developers want them off. Some of them want 5 options on and 6 options off. There's so many ways of reconfiguring this software. It's truly kind of amazing. Once we got a good, effective OpenCV Habitat plan built, we now have one plan that any other developer can copy, change all of the knobs, tweak all of the settings that they want to tweak, send that plan into our continuous build system to then have that Habitat package built, and then import that OpenCV Python module on their local machine with no real knowledge of Habitat or what it's doing. They just know that we've set it up so that they can get the software they want, how they want it, faster and easier than they were ever able to by themselves. Because the engineers are able to get the software libraries and runtimes that they want built how they want it, then the technology kind of falls away from them as an obstacle and really does what they want it to do, how they want to do it. And being able to create these atomic immutable artifacts that allow them to guarantee that this version of OpenCV, this version of FFmpeg will work the same way every single time, every day, has become truly instrumental in how we do work. Chef Habitat provides unparalleled flexibility and customization to make sure that the software packages that we need and depend on to get our job done, to try and help people shop better and shop smarter, nothing else does what Habitat does.